Best Web Hosting 2021. So first we can understand what is hosting. In the broadest definition, hosting is a service that provides storage and computing resources to a person or organization to host and maintain one or more websites and related services. In this video, we're gonna tell you about the best company that provides web hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and shared hosting. The best web hosting company in 2021 is Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting provider and the Internet Domain Registrar. Hostinger is a versatile web host that offers excellent uptime and customer service and a mix of traditional and cloud-based hosting. Hostinger has over 29 million users, collectively with its subsidiaries in 178 countries. In 2019, Hostinger converted its Apache HTTP servers to Lightspeed Web Server, LSWS, to increase the server's performance. Hostinger is one of the cheapest hosting providers out there. Hostinger offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and cloud hosting services at great prices without compromising superb features, reliable uptime, and page loading speeds faster than the industry average. Hostinger is becoming a well-known name in the WordPress hosting industry. They offer cheap hosting, 24/7 live chat support, and a great platform to host your website. It comes with an automatic one-click WordPress install, enhanced security, WordPress speed acceleration, and free site migration. Hostinger's many great features include unlimited bandwidth, the free domain, a free SSL, and 30 days money-back guarantee. Prices for Hostinger start only at $1.39 per month. Hostinger's many great sales this month. Go and grab these deals. This is the best time to buy the cheapest hosting in 2021. Go and buy with the link that is given in the description and get an amazing discount. Our promo code is OneRandom Solution. Use our coupon code for discounts.